Hey everyone, so what if I told you that you could create a video of just about anything you could possibly imagine just by typing a single sentence? No, really, that's not science fiction anymore. Today, we are diving deep into the absolutely incredible world of AI video generation. We're going to explore how it works and how it is completely changing the game for how we create and watch media. Just think about this for a second. A lion walking through a futuristic city at night. A few years back, making this happen would have meant getting a whole team of animators, sinking weeks of work into it, and, let's be honest, a massive budget. Now, an AI can spit out a video clip of that exact scene in just a few seconds. That's the kind of power we're talking about here, literally turning our words into moving pictures. All right, so let's pull back the curtain on what feels like AI's newest magic trick. How does it actually take what's in your head and put it into motion on a screen? Okay, so at its heart, AI video generation is all about these super advanced deep learning models. You can think of them as AI brains that have been trained on just an insane amount of data. And it's not just about text prompts either. You can feed them images, other videos, even music, and they can use all of that to create brand new visual content, whether you want something that looks totally real or, cool stylized animation. And what this tech can do is growing at a wild pace. I mean, think about it. You could create a training video with a digital avatar that is perfectly lip-synced. Or you could take an old family photo and just make the people in it smile or blink. We're already seeing entire short films and commercials with mind-blowing visual effects. And it all started from just a couple lines of text. It's crazy. That all sounds pretty amazing, right? But how does it actually work? Let's pop the hood and take a simple look at how these AIs are able to go from just words to creating entire moving worlds. It really boils down to a 5-step process that's, both super elegant and incredibly complex. First up, a large language model. Yep, the same kind of tech behind things like ChatGPT reads and understands your prompt. Then, it starts translating those words into visual ideas. But the real magic, the secret sauce, happens in step 3. That's where diffusion models get to work. These are AIs that are masters at creating images out of what is essentially digital noise. It's kind of like a sculptor seeing a statue inside a block of marble. They generate every single frame, one by one. Then, the AI carefully stitches them all together, making sure the motion is smooth, and finally, it renders the complete video clip. This analogy just nails it. You're not just getting a tool that makes a few images. You're getting an entire automated production pipeline. It's like having the artist, the animator, and the video editor all working together at lightning speed, all wrapped up in one single piece of tech. It's a whole production studio right at your fingertips. So now that we have an idea of how this stuff works, what tools can you actually get your hands on to start creating? Let's jump into the AI creation toolkit that's out there right now, shaping the future of video. And the ecosystem of tools is already huge and really diverse. If you're going for that high-end cinematic look, you've got the heavy hitters like OpenAI's Sora or Google's Veo. If you need a digital person to narrate your video, tools like HeyGen and Synthesia are your go-to. And for anyone just dipping their toes in, platforms you probably already use like Canva and CapCut have built-in AI features that are super easy to use. There's truly a tool for pretty much any need or skill level you can think of. And listen, this isn't some niche tech that's only for engineers in Silicon Valley. It is being picked up everywhere. YouTubers are using it for amazing visuals, marketers are pumping out ads in a tiny fraction of the time, and independent storytellers are finally able to bring their visions to life without needing a Hollywood-sized budget. This isn't just a tool for big studios anymore. It's really democratizing video creation for anyone, anywhere who has an idea. Here's a perfect real-world example of the kind of impact it's having. Imagine you're a student. Instead of just writing a report and turning it in, you could turn that same script into a full-on narrated video documentary with all the visuals generated by an AI. This just makes learning so much more engaging and dynamic. It's a total game changer for education. But of course, with any technology this powerful and this disruptive, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We've got to look at both the promise and the peril, the good, the bad, and sometimes the just plain weird and glitchy. On the one hand, the benefits are just undeniable. We're talking massive savings in time and money, and it's empowering a whole new generation of creators. But on the other hand, the challenges are very real. You've got technical problems, these AI hallucinations where the AI just creates bizarre details, like a person with 6 fingers or a car that kind of melts into the road. But beyond the glitches, there are some huge ethical conversations we need to have around deepfakes, not to mention the really complex legal questions about who even owns an AI-created video. These are big issues we're only just starting to figure out. So where does all this leave us? Well, it feels like we're standing right on the edge of the next creative revolution. And it's become crystal clear that this technology is way, way more than just a new tool. If there's one key takeaway, it's this. The entire fundamental process of making video content is being rewritten right before our eyes. From the solo YouTuber in their bedroom all the way up to major film studios, the way we visualize and produce stories is going through a seismic shift. This really is a revolutionary moment. And maybe this is the most powerful way to think about it. It's not really about AI replacing human creativity, but about augmenting it. The AI is becoming a new kind of creative partner, a collaborator that can execute these incredibly complex visual ideas in an instant. This frees up the human creator to focus on the things that matter most: the story, the emotion, the message. It makes high-level production something that's truly for everyone. Which leaves us with one last, pretty fascinating question to think about. For centuries, our ability to tell stories with pictures has been held back by budget, by skill, by technology. But now, as those barriers just start to fall away, the only real frontier left is our own imagination. So what new, incredible stories are we going to tell?